Is it visual to all of us? Hello. Just I have opened.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's
Just I have
visible.
opened.
It's visible.
Yes, sir.
It's visible.
It is actually it is a particular project dashboard, Johar, in which especially I am working in Johar, JSLPS Johar, and it is working almost at every sector of livelihood activities, which is performed in village level. You can see what we are capturing. We are capturing our target and target districts. We capturing our implementation blocks. We are working at 68 blocks, and how we performed, or how much we reached. We reached almost every block, and the target village we reached past the target in target village. Then we are forming producer group. As I have told you that producer group is a special kind of organization. Is a village level organization, but its work is specific. Work is specific means its work particularly on a particular livelihood activities. Particular livelihood activities, like some villages are good in producing vegetables. Then we form producer PG producer groups for HBA related activities, and they produce they procure inputs collectively. They try to sell produce collectively, so that they could manage to get inputs in less amount. They could the price they could negotiate price with different kinds of vendors, if they are doing collective input and output marketing, if they are doing that. And then we have target of 2,08,000 farmers, and we reached and passed the target. And we have first of all, we are giving this producer organization a kind of support, which we call a startup grant, so that they can open some office kind of thing, where they can sit groups, producer groups, peoples, and they can decide, they can plan livelihood activity collectively. They can plan procurement of inputs. They can plan collective output cell of their produce. For that, they should have some kind of office kind of things, and with some sitting arrangements, some almera vagera, that kind of things they could purchase from startup grant, which we are supporting. First of all, we are opening their account, and then we giving them a startup grant, so that they can start with the basic equipment. And then we comes up. Then after doing this all things, we come up with livelihood activities like HVA. You can see these are the numbers of PGs, producer groups formed. We form 275 producer groups for HBA, then livestock, then BYD, and TFP. And we have farmers, and we have a number of farmers in different activities. These all farmers, individual farmers information we have stored in our database system. We can see, we can reach to any single person of the particular activities. Then we have their bifurcation in social category, how much they are OBC, others SC, ST. Mainly we have Jharkhand. In Jharkhand we have ST population in rural area. All of this is done due to our robust MIS system. We are storing the all information, like institutions, beneficiaries, their category, their livelihood activities, their transactions, everything we are capturing, so that we are able to display this information and we are able to take a decision, and many things we are able to do, and there is many things to do. After doing this, all this, we understand that there is many things we could do in future. We are also promoting a lift irrigation system, a small scale lift irrigation system. In Jharkhand, we are facing many difficulties definitely during the Kharif and Kharif seasons and Kharif, and where we lack in irrigation facilities in villages. So we are also promoting uh, irrigation facilities. These are the records we are doing. We have completed schemes, irrigation schemes. Some schemes are under progress. All these are displayed in our system, because we have we are capturing from fields. All this information is captured from fields. Sir, if anyone have some questions, I'm ready to take.
Participants, please ask questions. Dear participants, am I audible?
Sir, you.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible? Yeah, do you have any query? So you are expected to ask questions because live system is running. Nobody has query? Dear participants, hello.
Yeah.
Do you have any query or suggestions or clarifications? Dr. Arup? Dr.
Sir, it is.
Yeah.
It is
Hello?
Yeah.
clear. Clear, sir.
Yeah.
Arun Tiwari, very much clear.
Arun Tiwari, okay.
It was very, very informative and basics. And so far as any main query is concerned, he is nearby us. So we are letting to give chance to distant persons, participants.
Okay. Dr. Arup Kumar Sharma. Dr. Arup Kumar Sharma.
Hello, sir. I found it informative. Thank you. And we are also, of course, under. Actually, I am from BNCA, Bishwanath College of Agriculture, Assam Agriculture University, and we are having this GKMS program, means this Gramin Krishi Mausam Seva program. So under that,
Okay.
we are using WhatsApp as the system of disseminating knowledge, and so we are under that particular project. We are having different groups in different localities, and we are now we are going to launch another project under NESEC, Northeast Space Application Center. We are going to develop some app also for the farmers. And I found this information informative. I'll be in touch with our Venkatesh sir. Thank you. Is it okay, sir, from my side?
Okay.
Thank you.
Dr. Vikram? Dr. Vikram? Am I audible? Dr. Vikram? Okay. If you do not have any query or suggestions, let me thank Mr. Venkatesh, who has been with us for 1.5 hours, and his presentation was very informative and practical, because if we wish to just gauge the performance of the organization, we need to have certain management information system which is relevant to the administrator, the policymaker, the actual workers. What is the performance of that organization? And it is very helpful in making effective plan to execute the activities. With these words, I again thank you, Mr. Venkatesh. Thank you for being with us. Thank you once again. Now we are breaking from our lunch, and Sri Manoj Khare from CDAC Pune will be joining us at 2 p.m. He is Senior Director, and he will be talking about GIS, Geographical Information System. And with these words, I'm just closing this pre-lunch session. We break for lunch, and we will again assemble at 2 p.m. Thank you.